Hello and welcome to another video on the Skripting tutorial channel. Today we will be creating a custom /report command. This is going to allow players to report other players for cheating, being malicious, spamming, whatever, and the report will get sent for staff members to view. So firstly we're just going to create a command as usual, command/report, and then we are going to have two arguments, a player argument and a text argument. Obviously the player argument is going to allow whoever's typing the command to enter in a player's name. Alternatively you could do offline player if you want your players to be able to report offline players, but we're just going to keep it as player. And text is obviously the reason for the report. Yet again, you could make these optional and check within the code if they've been entered just to allow for a more customized error message, but we do not really need to do that. So now all we're going to do is do send, and then we're going to type in text here after to all players where input has permission report.c. This might seem confusing, but all it's doing is going to be sending this message to all the players on the server that have the permission report.c. If you don't know how to set up permission nodes, I'll leave a link in the description. So now we're just going to make this look nice. So report, obviously player is going to be the player who's reporting. Player has reported. Argument 1 is obviously going to be the player they've reported. For argument 2, which is obviously the reason for the report. So now if we reload the script, report, obviously we need to enter in a player and a text. 1C7 being too cool. 1C7 has reported 1C7 for being too cool. So obviously 1C7, I'm the person who's reported it, but I've also reported myself. We obviously don't want the player to report themselves, so we can add that in. If arg1 is player, so that means if what they've entered is themselves, we'll do send you cannot report yourself, else just do it normally. We can reload that. So now if I try to report myself, well, obviously I need to add in text, that won't work, so I need to report somebody else. If you did find this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe for more.